This Coldwell banker Schmitt real estate company property video is presented by Dave Wiley. New to market, open house January 27 from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Experience waterfront luxury at this contemporary designed home in desirable Breezeswept Beach Estates. This unique home offers panoramic open water views, along with efficient boating access to both the ocean and Gulf. Enjoy leisurely swims in the inviting pool, relax under the poolside tiki hut, and make use of the expansive 35x31, 1,085 square feet, detached garage on this oversized fenced lot. A perfect blend of modern elegance and functionality for a truly remarkable Florida Keys experience. Detached garage is air-conditioned space at 35x31 dimension and 1,085 square feet. For more information, review the details below.